Alrighty, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Cardano family. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. I apologize, for the lack of updates. If you have been noticing, I've been not as consistent due to me being extremely busy recently, and I do kind of keep you guys updated with some of the other updates that I do. So obviously, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you know exactly what is going on. But I'm trying my best. If you want to see Cardano updates, now hear me out. I know there's going to be trolls as well. We don't really focus on the trolls. We only focus on the people that actually enjoy these updates. If you truly love these updates and actually want to see them on a regular basis, just smash that like button. I want you guys to kill it with the likes and as well as subscribe. It kind of shows me that you want to see more of these updates, so I will try my absolute best to do whatever I can to give you guys these ADA updates that you guys enjoy. But without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with the broader markets. If you're looking across the board, guys, this is the second day in a row where you're seeing quite a bit of green across the board because of Bitcoin obviously going up again. But if you do follow my channel on a regular basis, you guys know we're not getting super excited right now because of the fact that Bitcoin still is not at the levels where I would feel comfortable saying, hey, you know what, Bitcoin is actually looking mega bullish right now and actually could break into an all-time high. Let's wait for that, but we'll definitely take another green day. As far as ADA is concerned, it's up 3.5%. On the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, obviously a lot of coins are still down. ADA is down about 6.7% on the daily time frame. But let's take it a step further and see what we're really looking at. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're looking at the price of ADA sitting at about 38.54 cents. We're up about 3.4% in USD comparative, as mentioned, and about 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, $13.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $260 million. And I know before you guys come out and say there's obviously going to be some trolls coming in, ADA barely has any volume. It is what it is, right? If there's no secret at this point, I know people that actually truly believe in ADA and actually understand how crypto market works, the risk factor involved, these are what I call proper individuals that actually know what's happening with the broader market. And, because let's face it, you hear so much garbage regarding ADA, whether it's on Twitter, whether it's in the comments down below. Oh, ADA is not doing good, ADA is not doing this, ADA is not doing that. And 99% of the time, these guys are the ones that only have ADA in their portfolio. Can you believe it? They only have Cardano in their portfolio. What can you say? But a lot of good things happening for ADA in the back end. Obviously, it's no secret right now that Cardano has gone down quite substantially from March levels. But just a quick reminder, I really want you guys to know that pretty much everything right now is down right now over the last 1 month and a half. Everything, and that's literally right in front of you, as you can see. But let's take it a step further and see what is happening with the price of Cardano. So obviously, if you are part of the Cardano community, you guys know this. A major release of Cardano node is published. Node 9.0.0 hard fork, which is Chang. Huge, because guess what this does? This brings in on-chain governance. And if you know the importance of that, and if you're a staker, if you stake ADA, again, remember, Cardano is a proof of stake consensus. So this gives, stakeholders, the people that actually are staking ADA, so much power in terms of voting. And that goes a long way, believe it or not. So huge thing as far as this is concerned. So obviously I had to point this out. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think about that. But if we're looking at the dominance index, 55.1%. It has gone up over the past 24 hours, but shouldn't really be a surprise factor for anyone because, we did see Bitcoin going back into the 23.6 fib zone. That is going to happen. Usually that does tend to happen. Bitcoin is sitting in the 23.6 pip zone, still below the 60K psychological price point. It's very important, obviously, for the price of Bitcoin to actually be above that, but we're still not out of the woods yet. I know a lot of people are getting excited. I'm, seeing a little bit of a shift as far as crypto Twitter is concerned. The community overall tone regarding the market, a lot of people are getting extremely confident. But remember, always keep something in the back of your head. How does these massive whales think? They know, once there's a lot of excitement coming into the space, that's their chance of trying to manipulate all these longs that are piling up. Because once the market is starting to look bullish and there's a bullish tone in the market, people tend to think that, boom, we're about to go crazy up and let's pile up the longs. And this is where the whales come out and say, not so long, and come out and shake out all these longs that are piling up. So this is why, again, a huge reminder to stay away from leverage trading. Just stay away from leverage trading. If you're a follower on my channel, I'm sure you guys know how much I'm against leverage and futures platforms, so just stay away from it. But we still need to wait for our confirmation. As of now, we're still not in the safe zone in order for us to start having the conversation about all-time highs for BTC. But let's take it one step at a time. Obviously, going further, if you're looking at the price of ADA, and again, this is where everyone wants to know what's happening. And again, don't even bother. These trolls that are going to come out and talk negative about ADA, why are these guys still watching the videos is my question, right? I'm never able to kind of process that. Why do these guys still watch the videos and still leave troll comments? But anyhow, if you're looking at the yearly high back in March, as I've mentioned, it was 80 cents. You did see a significant drop for Cardano, 67% to be exact. And the craziest thing is not, this drop. You want to be understanding where we actually went. So we saw the price drop below the key support line at 40 cents. What does this mean now? This means that we saw the price go back below the extreme bear market cycle. And again, as you guys know, we do not break out of the bear market cycle until we're in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and we're far away from that. Of course, we did knock out of the bear market cycle back in March, but it was short-lived. So if you were one of the true, and again, hear me out, if you were one of the true Cardano, holders or fan, and you have done your due diligence and research, and we're hoping for, a better entry, well, that entry is right here. Because let me tell you, if you go watch any of my updates back on March, you could see a lot of comments coming in. Oh, we wish we picked it up, below 40 cents, this and that. And what if I told you barely anyone is picking up ADA, because obviously a lot of uncertainty within the market. So right now, it's extremely important for ADA to actually go above 40 cents. It's very, very important. I don't like seeing the price of ADA below this, but let's face it, we have seen a significant pullback for the overall market, and I think it was a great opportunity for a lot of accumulation for a lot of coins. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at it. But I want to see the price of ADA reclaiming back above this key resistance. And obviously, if we're able to break out of this key resistance, next major target, as you know, is the 45 cents resistance. If we're able to clear out of there, I do believe ADA can claim up to that 50 cents price point very fast. That's my personal projection. And again, that is a move of 30% to get to that 50 cents price point. And in order for us to get to the yearly high, that's a 112% move. So you are getting a discount of pretty much 50% from the March prices. So if you wanted to dollar cost average in, well, the opportunity is there right in front of you. Never pick it up when things are going absolutely insane. Wait for pullbacks, and these pullbacks do benefit a lot, and you can see this for yourself. So if you've done your due diligence research and want to invest what you can afford to lose, it's better to do it when you do see 60% pullbacks rather than 300 to 400% moves towards the upside. But again, time is going to tell. Always understand how the market works, always understand the risk factors, do your due diligence. That's why I say it in every single video. But I'm optimistic on ADA's future. And again, only time is going to tell, but let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.